In a world where microscopic details often remain hidden behind noise, blur, and distracting backgrounds, a new AI-powered workflow is changing the game. Imagine taking an ordinary microscope image and instantly transforming it into a perfectly isolated, ultra-sharp scientific visualization, automatically. This new ComfyUI workflow combines advanced AI segmentation, automatic background removal, intelligent object isolation, and powerful 4x upscaling into one seamless system. Instead of manually masking incredibly complex microscopic structures by hand, the AI detects the main object automatically using BiRefNet RMBG technology. The workflow then removes the original background, replaces it with a perfectly clean white laboratory-style surface, and applies advanced enhancement and sharpening algorithms to create an ultra-detailed final image. The result looks dramatically cleaner, more professional, and far easier to analyze or present in videos and scientific demonstrations. What makes this especially powerful is that the system works extremely well on difficult organic structures, including bacteria, fibers, cells, particles, crystals, biological samples, and industrial microscope captures. Tiny details that were previously difficult to see suddenly become crisp and highly visible. This is not just a simple upscale workflow. It creates the feeling of a futuristic AI laboratory system capable of intelligent visual isolation and enhancement. For YouTube creators, researchers, microscope enthusiasts, industrial inspection videos, or AI demonstration content, the visual impact is enormous. And the best part? The workflow is fully local, highly customizable, and can be expanded even further using real AI analysis systems like YOLO, Florence 2, SAM, OpenCV, and real-time overlays. The future of AI microscope enhancement has already started, and you can build it directly inside ComfyUI. The workflow download is available in the description below this video.